Greetings, it's your travel enthusiast, Erica, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today, we're discovering a gorgeous beach tucked away on a Spanish island. As we begin our walk, I can't help but marvel at the pristine white sand beneath my feet. The sun is casting a golden hue on the surrounding landscape, making everything seem even more magical. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, providing much-needed shade for beachgoers. As we approach the water, we can see crystal-clear waves gently lapping at the shoreline.
Hey guys, I've got a unique platform to share with you. Check out the link in the pinned comment below for an unforgettable and adult experience.
It's mesmerizing to watch the sunlight sparkle on the surface, creating a mesmerizing dance of light. The water is incredibly inviting, and I can see people of all ages enjoying a swim or paddleboarding session. Further down the beach, we come across a lively group participating in a beach soccer match. Their laughter and shouts of encouragement fill the air, creating a fun and energetic atmosphere. Nearby, a local artist is painting a beautiful scene, expertly capturing the stunning colors and natural beauty of the area. As we continue our walk, we spot a charming beach bar where we can take a break and savor the local flavors. We treat ourselves to some refreshing drinks and a delicious tapas platter while soaking in the breathtaking ocean views. It's amazing to be able to enjoy such incredible scenery while sampling local cuisine. As our beach walk comes to an end, we take a moment to admire the vibrant sunset painting the sky in shades of pink, orange, and purple. The tranquil sound of the waves, combined with the stunning view, leaves us feeling truly grateful for this unforgettable experience. I hope you enjoyed our beach walk in Spain. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to explore more stunning beaches with you in future videos. See you next time.